So I had to change the track back to the one I had before. So this is, since I added this squeeze 9-inch, and this one, it went from 22 feet of track to 23.5 feet of track. And I'm just 30 inches short, which would be two 15-inch straight tracks, to make it another, to put it at 26 feet even of track. And these things, you only run one truck through these at a time. That one seems smooth. It's just this one needs to be smoothed out, and then this one here needs to be smoothed out, and this one's a little rough. Oh, doing a recording video. Yeah. Say hi to everyone.
Here's the terrifying answer. I genuinely do not know. My best theory, I think it was Obama and his
I'm at my grandma's house. I brought my racetrack set over to her house. I'm in her crafts room. This is her crafts room. So I set it up in here because she don't come in here. Set you up. Okay. Power on. Turn that on. What? What? Oh! You found a candy bar. Where did you get this from? Where did you go there?
Someday.
Oh, nice. Oh, it's a double click. So my grandma got me a candy bar. So here we go. I still have a little short. Yeah. See what I mean? Yeah. This one's a little rough, so it's. It's always something. I tell you, this floor is not even whatsoever. And that's what happens when you put too much throttle with all in only one pup trailer. Pup trailers are easy to flick right off at a turn if you don't watch your speed. Okay.
Bottle in half, like this. See? Now using its neck, make a mark right in the center of the bottom part. Then oh, and remember, if you like videos with gardening tips, do it yourself, money-saving tricks and creative solutions for everyday life, comment "I want." That way I'll understand that you're enjoying it, and I'll prepare many more videos like this one. Also, take the opportunity to comment on which city you're watching me from, because I want to send a big hug especially to you. Then just assemble it like this, see, and done. You'll have an amazing pot to plant whatever you want. Just fill it with soil and place some.
Okay, there was little
What did you think of the result?
there was a little spot of
Your friends and
lino on the slot pegs. And you have to listen closely for a little pop sound, with a P, and there's a little. Oh.
If you also use an Android phone, then do not skip these 3 settings even by mistake, or else you will say later, oh, it was a mistake. Number 1, if your phone has the latest Android version, simply open settings.
That's why.
Click on Google, click on all services, and here you will find an option called Advanced Protection. Turn it on. Now all types of harmful apps will be automatically blocked on your device, and if you try to install apps from any unknown source, their installation will also be blocked. Number 2, in these same settings, if you click on all services under Google, you will find a theft protection option. Click on it and turn on theft detection lock. So if anyone grabs your smartphone and runs away, it will lock automatically. Number 3, now open Google Chrome and click on settings from the 3 dots. You will find a Google Password Manager option where you can see all your saved passwords. But simply click on settings and turn on.
I was able to pop a.
Cheese with frozen berries and a spoon of honey, then freeze it for 2 hours. You get a high
Got a little dot of soda that I was able to pop out from the slot, from between the slots. Had something snapped.
then freeze it for 2 hours. You get a high protein ice cream. Cottage cheese supports muscle recovery. Berries are rich in antioxidants, and it satisfies sweet cravings without added sugar. Did you know if you blend cottage cheese with frozen berries and a spoon of honey, then freeze it for 2 hours, you get a high protein ice cream? Cottage cheese supports muscle recovery. Berries are rich in antioxidants.
There we go.
And it satisfies sweet cravings without added sugar. Did you know if you blend cottage cheese with frozen berries?
If it's not smooth, it'll cause the truck to not pick up contact. It's just. Oh my God! Will they leave the damn man alone? Jeez, assholes that don't like how that one Democrat can go to hell. Get rid of every damn Democratic supporter. They don't do nothing for this country. It's only the republics. Okay, so I did get. What I did was I got the solder part right here a little bit close to this rail. So maybe it was creating short contact on north spot. Took a flathead to it just to remove, just to move the solder away. What?
Shoot, knock on this thing. I'm so mad at that. There's going to be a documentary about, they call them non-human beings, UFOs.
Yeah?
I think you would like to watch that.
Oh.
I don't know when it's going to be on, but I really think it would be something good to see.
Yeah?
Because it's going to be coming out more and more in your time.
Oh.
You need to know a little bit more about it. Oh, today's Baron's birthday.
Aaron's?
Baron.
Oh.
It's going to be next week.
You know what? I'm gonna try something, so I'll shut the